Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever part of the world you are tuning in from. Well, today is Tuesday, guys. How's everyone doing? Well, I hope you are all well and safe. So today, I want to answer one of the most commonly asked questions in our business, and that is, what is this business? And what do you do on your business? Well, first, for all those my new followers, thank you for your support. And my name is Roselle, and I'm currently living here in Ireland with my family for more than 2 decades. So I'm a mom, wife, and a grandmother to one. So guys, what is this business? So this business is a global digital business. We leverage digital marketing and attraction marketing to help people create time and financial freedom. So guys, I just need to drink my smoothie. So, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So, attraction marketing and digital marketing, where we use social media platforms. We post valuable content and share the lifestyle that we have through this online business. So guys, what do I do in this business? Okay, so what we do, because I am part of a global business community. So what we do is we run ads on social media platforms, different social media platforms like Facebook, we have YouTube, or LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. So we have this step-by-step training that teaches us how to run ads on those different social media platforms, guys. So this is to attract people who are looking for a better way to earn. Okay, so what else? What else do I do? So I post valuable content daily to inspire you guys and educate you about the benefits of working online. So we don't do selling here. We don't do selling of products. We just post valuable content to inspire and educate you guys on the benefits of working online. And I also mentor and guide people who want to start their own online business step by step. So even you don't have any experience, since you have a mentor and a coach, and we have a training, easy to follow training that is provided once you start your business. So you can still run your business successfully because of that. So we have a global supportive community that helps us in our journey here. So all of us will be, for us to be successful. And besides, we also provide a weekly mastermind training. Aside from the group training, group Zoom meetings, we also have those weekly mastermind training to update our skills. So I am affiliated, guys, with a trusted company that has been, I think it will turn 51 years this year, that offer real products and a patented compensation plan. That's why this is really a life-changing opportunity, guys. And lots of people in our community are living the life they dreaming of before. Most of them are already retired. They quit their job and just doing their business wherever they go. They travel, they buy real estate properties, they do charity works. So it's really life-changing. That's why I'm here, guys, to share this life-changing opportunity with you, because it's changing my life. I gain freedom of time while still earning. So what I do is I work flexibly. Since this is a flexible business, I work flexibly from anywhere. Even though I am traveling, I am on the bus, or I'm spending time with my family. So I can bring this business wherever I go, because I only use my mobile phone and an internet connection. So guys, this gives me more time with my family, and then while building a sustainable income. So this is a really amazing business, guys. So, but this business is not a quick to get rich scheme. It is a legitimate online opportunity for those willing to learn and take action. So this is a gold mine. So, but you just need to be willing to learn, okay? You need to be willing to learn, take action, and be consistent in whatever you are doing. Many people in this community, like parents, the immigrants, the professionals, they use this business model to achieve their dreams. So guys, if they and I can do it, so can you. So if you are looking to earn a second income stream online while still having a full-time job, you can still do this business. Because as what I have said, this business is flexible. Our training is in video form, so you will have time to do it when you are free, your available time. Okay? So, and since today is Tuesday, I would like to invite you to watch our complimentary webinar, and you can register your name and email address on my website, www.roselleampilocchio.com, and on my background, that is my youngest son, who is also doing this business.
Hello guys.
So yes, I'm really passionate, guys, to share this to everyone. It is a blessing, and if you are interested, just check this out, guys. You'll never know if you don't check this out. Okay, so I hope you are all having a lovely Tuesday, and thanks again for watching, and have a good day, guys. God bless, and bye.